Hi everyone, I'm Reem. Welcome back to my channel. It's been 2 years since I didn't do a video. So I'm back. A lot of things happened in this 2 years. I transitioned to a product management role. I'm very happy today to talk to you about how to become a product manager in 2025. So if you're interested, subscribe to my channel and let's deep dive. So first, we're gonna talk about what is product management. Second, skills you need in 2025. Three, my own journey to becoming a product manager. Four, pathways to becoming a product manager. And then essential tools for the PMs. And lastly, how to stand out in 2025. So first, what is product management? So product management, we hear a lot about this term, but everyone is confused, I feel like. So I'm gonna keep it simple in this video. So think about it as a triangle, and you have three different key areas, which are from one side the business, from the other side the tech, and from the third side is the user experience. So product management is a role that is always, I feel like, in tech companies. So it's more suited for tech companies, but it can be in other areas also. So think about the PM as the CEO of the product, as the captain of a ship that balancing these three key areas like the technology, the business goals, and the user experience. So the goal here is to create a product that the customer love while meeting the overall business objectives. So it's a mix of leadership, strategy, and creativity. Uh, so one thing before going to second part is like from brainstorming a new idea to launching and improving products, PMs are here and involved in every step of the way. So this is important. Second part of the day is to talk about the skills you need in 2025. From my point of view, so there are no, if you find another one, so yeah, please add it to yourself. So for me, one is the strategic thinking. So PMs need to see the big picture that the company is trying to deliver, like the big vision, the big picture, and align their teams to these long-term goals. Uh, Two is that data literacy. So here with the rise of AI, it's becoming more and more simpler to kind of use AI to analyze user behavior, to analyze data, the feature usage, etc. Three is communication. So you'll be the bridge between, as we said, the designers, the marketers, the engineering team, and the business team. So it's very, very important to keep a clear communication here, as many things can get lost in between. So yeah, you'll be the captain of the ship for the features. So first, the fourth thing is empathy. So empathy is very, very important for me as a product manager. So understanding your users' pain point, their needs will help you build products they truly love. The goal here is to do a product for our customers, not a product for ourselves. So this is very, very important. Last one I would say is technical knowledge. So like a basic technical knowledge. We're not talking here about, you don't need to code here, but understanding the basics of how the software is done can come a long way, especially with the engineering team, so you can work better with them. Third part is my own journey to the product management. So so for me, I was a founder of tech startup called Deals. So basically, we had a mobile app and a website when we present like last minute deals from partnership with restaurants and bakeries where they put deals on products and like bakeries produce that is going otherwise to be wasted. So the idea here is like these products that otherwise will go to waste will have on them big deals so that customers can benefit from them. So yeah, this experience, I managed the development of both the mobile app and the website, the vision, between the tech and the business, And also, I had this experience with multiple other projects that I managed throughout my experience with other software that we built. So I kind of was in the role of the product manager before labeling it product manager. So yeah, I fell in love with product management, the challenge of lining a team to solve user problems while delivering business value. So that's what led me to pursue a career as a product manager. Uh, Fourth part is pathways to becoming a product manager. So here there's no one size fits for all. It's really dependent and unique to the person. So there are people who come from designer background, marketer background, or engineer, like software engineers, and transition to the role of PM. So product manager is very unique also and different from one company to the other. So there are companies where the product manager is more of product owner, which is very, very technical. There are others where a product manager is more of a product growth and thus it's more toward a marketing perspective. So it's really different from one company to the other, but the concept is really the same. But like the task, the daily and the expectation might be different from one company to the other. I don't know if it makes sense what I say, but yeah, the role might be different from one company to the other. Another path is to work in startups, and we know that in startups you can wear like multiple hats, and it's gonna make it easier for you to transition into product management. Uh, the fourth path also is through formal education, like to have a degree, certification in product management, and yeah, it can give you a head start since you're benefiting from the experience of others to kind of dive into the role. Yeah, so five, the part five, we're gonna talk about the tools that I use as a product manager that I think they are essential for every product manager. The first one is the Jira. Jira is very, very useful for managing tasks and projects and to make sure to track the task and to see the overall progress for the release of your features. So this one is very important. Figma is very important for collaborating on the design and prototypes of the features. Um, Third one is Mixpanel. So Mixpanel is good for user behavior, the feature usage, etc. Notion is very good for the documentation, like documenting your product specs, the planning, etc. And also we don't forget about the AI tools like the LLMs that we have now, ChatGPT, Gemini, etc., whatever you're comfortable with. So yeah, these are my essential kind of go-to tools, but it might be different from one product manager to the other. Sixth part is how to stand out in 2025. So I would say build a portfolio, take a side project, yeah, be the captain of the ship, and deliver them and showcase your problem solving, your priority, like prioritization capabilities. Two is network. So connect with experienced PM, whether via LinkedIn communities or events, wherever uh, you want to. Yeah, you can also contact me and ask me a question if you want. Three is stay updated. We know that tech is so much evolving these days, and PM is a fast evolving field, so stay updated. Fourth one is be storytellers. So think about it as very important to pitch your ideas and tell compelling stories about your product vision. So yeah, this can be very, very helpful. Yeah, there you have it, like a complete guide to becoming a product manager. If you want me to do a video on my self journey to product management to dive into the details, how I took this path, uh, yeah, just give me like a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.